Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the MEIXISUE modern LED flush mount ceiling light, crafted from high-quality aluminum and white acrylic with a sleek spaceship-inspired design. This energy-saving fixture features over 50,000 hours of LED lifespan and a color temperature range from 3000 K to 6500 K, perfect for creating the ideal atmosphere. It comes with a convenient remote control that lets you easily adjust the lighting effects anytime you want. Designed to fit rooms up to 400 square feet, this ceiling light is great for bedrooms, kitchens, living rooms, and more. Installation is simple and quick, making it a hassle-free upgrade for your home. Plus, it boasts a high color rendering index of 85, ensuring vibrant, natural light. Enjoy modern style and functionality all in one with this versatile flush mount ceiling fixture. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.